what are Nurbs primitives? By the end of this video, you will understand clearly how to use Nurbs primitives and what are Nurbs primitives and what are the different objects present in Nurbs primitives. Nurbs means non-uniform rational B-Splines, provides a 3D model basic shapes and curves to create whatever models you want. This is a Nurbs object. When you click on Nurbs object, you see completely different components. In the previous video, we learned about creating polygon primitives. In this video, we learn about Nurbs primitives. Even though we see, for example, if you open Nurbs polygon primitives, we see here sphere, sphere, cube, cube, cylinder, cylinder, cone, cone. But polygon sphere is different from Nurbs sphere. When you click here, see here you are seeing vertex, edge and all those things. Here if you click control vertex isopalm, those two are completely different objects from, even though they look from similar from outside, but as per their construction they are different, and most of the time we use either Nurbs or polygon primitive based on our modeling needs. As a beginner, just know about Nurbs primitives. Just create the Nurbs primitives like cube. Especially when it comes to cube, you will see a clear difference. This is polygon cube. This is a single object, but when you see this is a grouped object, because it is if you see outliner Nurbs cube, actually see it is a combination of different planes. If you delete this, see you are having completely different, but this is single object. That is the difference between Nurbs cube and polygonal cube. Cylinder looks almost similar. Plane, and the properties of these objects can be found in sphere, Nurbs sphere channel box. There you can increase the radius, decrease the radius, start sweep, end sweep. See, if you want to create, this is not possible from polygon primitives. End sweep. See, if you want to create a small strip kind of thing. So this is start sweep, end sweep. These are not present in polygonal objects. These are present only in Nurbs. These properties, sweep, end sweep, all those things. Even we have curves, circle. Even the curves are not present in polygon objects. Square. Like this, you can create Nurbs primitives and you can start creating your objects. Already you know interactive creation and exit on completion in the previous video.